Then clasp the belt under your chin, pull the free end to tighten. If your life jacket's too small, or if you weigh over 140 kilos, 308 pounds, you can ask for an extension belt. Always follow crew instructions. In the unlikely event that you need to abandon ship, survival craft are prepared by the ship's crew. Board the boat or other survival crafts when asked to do so by the crew at your assembly station. Please watch your step when boarding, then sit down. When the boat is lowered, it'll be lowered to the water. All passengers on this vessel have found a place on a lifeboat, and don't worry, there are extra survival craft and evacuation systems in place in case there's a malfunction. These will be inflated by the crew. Slide down one at a time, having first removed unsuitable shoes. Take to the water only as a last resort. If it is necessary, pinch your nose using the fingers of one hand. Place part of your free hand over your mouth. With your other arm, grip your shoulder to stop your life jacket from riding up. All safety information is found on the back of your cabin door. If you're hard of hearing or have mobility problems and you need help getting to the assembly station, let staff know beforehand at reception guest service.